Right, the final page of our sample final. Culture of bacteria obeys the law of uninhibited growth, which is the amount after some time. In this case, they use the number n of t equals n0 e to the kt. And it tells you more about that. If they're 500 initially, so that's the initial amount, it ends up to 800 after 1 hour. So divide by 500 and we get 8/5 equals e to the k. So unknown is in the exponent, so we change it to a log, and this is base e, so natural log of 8/5 e to the k equals 8/5. The log of 8/5 is log of 8, natural log of 8 minus natural log of 5, but I can just type in natural log of 8 divided by 5, and I get a k that's 0.4700. Actually, that's the exact value of k. So, determine the number of hours when there'll be 4,000 bacteria. 40,000. So I get 40,000 equals 500, if that's what it started with, e to the this exact value of k, which is 0.47 approximately, times t. So we're going to divide by 500. So that's going to be 400 divided by 5, which is 80. E to the 0.47 t. Just check that real quickly. Make sure I didn't make a mistake. Divided by 500. Oh, and I didn't put 40,000. And I get 80. And so now it's the exponent's unknown once again, so we change it to a log, and the log is base e, so we got natural log of 80 equals 0.47 t, so I divide by 0.47. So I have natural log of 80 close parenthesis divided by 0.47, and I get 9.32, what was this in hours? Okay, and number 18. The milligrams of an active ingredient of medicine still remaining in the body after a time of t hours is by the exponential equation. The amount later is equal to the amount starting, e to the kt, and the k for this medication, so I'm giving you the k here, is negative 0.085. If the initial amount taken is 350, e to the negative 0.085 t, at what time will the amount of the active ingredient be down to 10 milligrams? So we're going to divide the 350 out. And then, to solve for the t, we're going to write this as a log equation, base e, so ln of this, which is 1 over 35 if I reduce it, but that's alright, equals e to this power, negative 0.085 t, divide by negative 0.085, negative 0.085, and we get an answer for this ln 10 divided by 350 divided by negative get the negative in there, negative 0.085, enter, and 41.2.8, which is about 42, time was in hours. And that's the sample final.